Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 12 modals will, may, must. We will learn here how to use the modals. In our last class, we have learned about can and shall. Okay, so today we are starting the chapter. Read the dialogue below and notice how the modals will, may, and must have been used. Ayush, Rashi, look at this notice in the newspaper. The electricity supply will be discontinued from 4 to 5 pm. Some high voltage service lines will be repaired during that time. Here, both the time will is used to talk about a future action. To talk about a future action. We say sorry for the trouble you may face during that hours. Here, may is used for possibility. We will miss the inauguration of the World Cup. It is a suggestion something, to suggest something. We must plan something. Here, must is used to express. Okay, must plan something. To it is make to express a necessity. It is express a necessity. Shall we go to Uncle Suresh's place? They may have electricity at that time. So it is a small possibility. Good idea. We will do that. Will is the decision, instant decision. We must. It is a it is also a express a conclusion. To express a conclusion, again we have used here the must. Okay. Next, sometime let's learn. Look at the uses of will and will not. Will and will not, we sometimes we use the short form of will, that is apostrophe double L, and will not is won't, WON apostrophe T. This is example. This is a good book on using the computer. We will read it together. So here we will is used to talk about a future action. Positive. I won't go into the cave. Won't. That means will not. Won't means will not. We won't go to the cave. That is to talk about a future action negative. Okay. I will help you with your homework if you want. I will help you with your homework if you want. So this is to suggest something. It is a suggestion. I am giving a suggestion that if you want, I will help you. It's very hot, so I will take a taxi. It is an instant decision. I will call you tomorrow. It is a promise. Since there is no electricity, the water supply won't be working there. So this is a prediction. This is a prediction. What is the meaning of prediction? That if there will be no electricity, water supply will be cut. Okay. So next, number 2, would or would not. We will now look at the uses of would and would not. So would not, we use the short form of would not, that is wouldn't, WOULDN apostrophe T. Would you pass the bread please? Request. For requesting, we use would. Would you mind if I use your computer? This is seeking permission. That means asking permission. I would like tea. I would like tea. Talking about what one prefer. That means I would like tea. Someone can say that I would like coffee. Like this. This is prefer. Would tomorrow be all right for the meeting? It is an arrangement. It is asking that it will be okay if it will be arrange a meeting. That's why it is an arrangement. Would you like to take a boat ride with us? So this one is an invitation. This one is an invitation. I wouldn't be at school that day. Talking about a future action. Talking about a future action. Use the correct modal to complete the sentences. Use short forms where necessary. We dash do something new today. We will. We will do something new today. One of you will start a story, then each student would take turns to add a sentence. We will complete the story that way. Okay? Next. That sounds fun. I will start. Would we do the same exercise every day? It is seeking permission. Would we? Okay. Next. No, Tinu, we will play new games every day. I will think of a new one for tomorrow. So this is the uses. I have told the answers. You will practice it at home. You will write it in your book. Okay, next. We will now learn the use of may and might. We have to read the sentences. See, the dry weather might start a forest fire. It is small possibility. She may not be home. Possibility. May I use your pen? It is seeking permission. Yes, you may. It is giving permission. Next, page number 68. I might not come to your house. It is a small possibility. There are dark clouds in the sky. It dash rain soon. It may rain soon. Dash I go now. May I go now. The principal dash agree with their plan. The principal might agree with their plan. Teacher, it's 10 o'clock. You dash start writing your test now. You may start writing your test now. So till here it is clear. Let's learn. Look at some uses and functions of must in the following sentences. Shakshi is taller than Arun. Tenzing is taller than Shakshi. Tenzing must be taller than Arun to express a conclusion. We must start early to reach the fort before noon. It is to express a necessity. Doctor, you must not have spicy food to give a strong order. You must not open the gift till your birthday to say what should not be done. What should or should not be done. So must is used to express a conclusion, to express a necessity, to give a strong order, to say what should or should not be done. Next, state the functions of the must and must not in the sentences below. You must clean up after you finish playing. It is to order. The phone is ringing. It must be my father. This is a conclusion, to express a conclusion. One must be fit and strong to to take up mountaineering. This is to express necessity. You must talk politely to your elders. To say what should. To say what should. The doorbell is ringing. That must be my friend. This is to express a conclusion. Okay? Next. Next, did you notice that the present tense form of modals do not take s after he, she, it, dog, bird, car, and all such singular forms? We can't say he mays, she cans. Okay. Next, use the correct modals in the sentences below. Add not where necessary. You must never hurt animals. They feel pain just as we. You dash run fast without a good pair of shoes. You must not. That means mustn't or must not, you have to write. You dash buy a good pair. Starting the exercise, let's practice page number 69. We must never hurt animals. They feel pain just as we do. You may not run fast without a good pair of shoes. You must buy a good pair. You dash find butterflies here anymore since their houses were built. You might find number 4. We are in a storm. There dash be a power cut. There may be a power cut. Dash you go home now or later? Will you go home now or later? I dash like to stay till later as I have something to discuss with you. I will like to stay till later as I have something to discuss with you. You dash be able to help me. You may be able to help me. No one dash waste time. No one must waste time. What dash I do for you? What will I do? What would I do for you? What would I do for you? Did not believe the stranger at first, but he might be right. Okay, so you will do it in the book, and I will give you a worksheet. You will do it in the copy. So read the chapter, listen the video, do the exercises in the book. If you have any doubt, you will ask in the live class. Okay, till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.